What if you could own a super reliable car without breaking the bank? Imagine driving a vehicle known for durability, low maintenance costs, and impressive performance, all for under $10,000. Intriguing, right? In today's video, we'll uncover 6 incredible cars that fit this description. Based on expert advice and real-world performance, these are vehicles you can trust. Ready to discover your next ride? Let's dive right in with our countdown. Number 6. 1998 to 2012 Ford Crown Victoria, the underrated champion of durability. The Ford Crown Victoria is a timeless classic, built for those who value reliability and longevity. Powered by the robust 4.6-liter modular V8 engine, it offers a smooth ride and achieves a respectable 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Built on the legendary Panther platform, this car is renowned for surpassing 300,000 miles with proper care. Affordable and durable, it's perfect for budget-conscious drivers. Just avoid ex-police models, and you'll have a vehicle that keeps going strong. Number 5. 2004 to 2009 Lexus RX 350, affordable luxury without compromise. The Lexus RX 350 combines luxury and dependability in a way few SUVs can, especially under $10,000. Powered by reliable 3.3-liter or 3.5-liter V6 engines, it delivers smooth performance and up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. With all-wheel drive options and available third-row seating, it's ideal for families or solo drivers seeking versatility. As Toyota's luxury division, Lexus ensures exceptional build quality, making this SUV a top pick for those wanting comfort, reliability, and minimal maintenance costs in one stylish package. Number 4. 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, rugged trucks for every job. The Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra are powerhouse trucks that deliver unbeatable value under $10,000. Equipped with the durable 4.8-liter or 5.3-liter V8 engines, they handle towing, hauling, and daily driving effortlessly. These trucks are built to last, with parts that are both affordable and widely available, making repairs easy for DIY enthusiasts and mechanics alike. With options for 4x4, various cab sizes, and manual or automatic transmissions, they cater to every need. Avoid 2007 through 2009 models, and you'll enjoy a reliable workhorse for years. Number 3. 2000 to 2005 Buick Lasso, a family sedan that checks every box. The Buick Lasso is a top choice for families seeking reliability and comfort on a budget. With its 3.8-liter V6 engine, it delivers a smooth, quiet ride and an impressive 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Known for its durability, many Lassos continue to run strong even with over 400,000 miles. The car is also easy to maintain, with affordable parts and straightforward repairs. Offering ample interior space and excellent fuel economy, the Lasso is the perfect family sedan without breaking the bank. Number 2. 1994 to 2004 Toyota Camry, the gold standard in reliability. The Toyota Camry is the epitome of reliability, making it a go-to choice for used car buyers. With either a 2.2-liter inline-4 or 3.0-liter V6 engine, it delivers smooth performance and impressive fuel efficiency, often exceeding 30 miles per gallon. Built to last, many Camrys reach over 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Known for low maintenance costs and excellent resale value, the Camry offers peace of mind for anyone seeking a dependable, budget-friendly sedan that performs well in both the city and on the highway. Number 1. 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic, the ultimate budget-friendly all-rounder. The Honda Civic is the perfect blend of reliability, efficiency, and affordability. With its fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine, it achieves up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting. Known for its long lifespan, the Civic can easily exceed 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Low repair costs and strong resale value make it an outstanding investment. Whether you need a reliable commuter car or a small family sedan, the Civic offers offers unbeatable value for those on a budget. Each car on this list offers exceptional reliability, affordability, and performance. Whether you need a sedan, truck, or SUV, these vehicles deliver incredible value under $10,000. With proper maintenance and care, they'll serve you well for years to come. So, which one's your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reliable car recommendations and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay savvy.